Alright, so for this one, we have, I wish there was more light in here, dang. A leaky tub faucet. I don't know if you can hear it or see it, but it's pretty good leak. So I think what we'll have to do, take this guy off, and there should be, I'm hoping, a cartridge in there, and so pull that cartridge out, replace it, and that should hopefully that'll fix the issue. So I'm gonna go turn the water off, get you set up on the stand, and we'll see if we can mess something up. Alright, so I put a little paper towel down because I'm sure whenever I get this off, it's going to shoot off somewhere. If I can get it off. Oh, managed to keep it. Well, maybe. There it is. Just this little dude. Right here. So we'll set him on the counter, and I think that's going to be an Allen screw. Let me see. Put a little light on it. I think so. Alright, we'll get one of those. Okay, so this is the next day. I tried a handful of different Allen wrenches, but I didn't have these sets. So I tried everything to get this thing off. So today I come in, and of course, as luck would have it, it is metric, so it took me forever to find this one, but I found the right size. So let's try to I did break it loose already just to make sure, but so it's just a little set screw inside there. Alright. Oh, let's see what we got here. This, I think, is what they say. Well, just came off. Oh, that's nasty. Should have gloves on. That doesn't go any certain way. It just pulls off. Still see that? Yep. Now, I think that's just on hand tight. Okay. Just, yeah. Is there something else I'm supposed to do? Let's just pull out. There's a little key right there. I guess that tells you where to put it. See if I can break it loose with my multi-tool. I don't want to go out and get a screwdriver. I'm lazy. Let's see. Yeah. Well, there it is. Either that or I just broke it. Either is possible. There she blows. How about that? So remember, this key, this thing right here is on the right hand side. Remember that. I think one of these is hot and one's cold. Well, of course one's hot and one's cold. Let's take a look at it here. So this part was on the right hand side. So I guess this is something I can get. I mean, it's a Delta. Surely I can get it at the depot, the blue store or the orange store. So I guess that's what we'll do. The inside, there's that. So, alright, well, I'll have to pack up and go to the store and get one of these. So until then. Okay, so now it's been several days later. I went to the orange store. They didn't have the one I needed, and I thought I would mention, basically, this came from the blue store, but the two that were at the orange store looked exactly the same, except this portion was shorter. And both packages have been opened and returned, so just something to think about. This one came from, like I said, the blue store, so I'm going to try to match it up and get it in here and see what happens. I'll try to set everything up here. Alright, one other thing. So that's the old one, this is the new one. This thing has this little plate there. I'm not sure what it is, but I guess I'm gonna put it on the new one. I have no idea what it's for, but I even test fit the handle, and of course it goes back on, so I don't know. So alright, I'm gonna transfer that with it and see what happens. Alright, so there is an H on this side. Let me show you. Right there. So I'm assuming, and you know what that means, but I'm assuming it goes on the hot side. And there's that little key. It doesn't look like it's going there. These things are the same size, so. Interesting. Oh, yeah. Is that back in? Oh, huh? Let me see if it's easy to do. No, it does not. Get some apply there. So much for swapping off the issue, right? Yeah, man. You see, look, you're right there. Clear that out. Alright, I'm going to mess with this for a second and then turn you back on. Alright, so I got it in. I was second guessing myself, but it just took a whole lot of force, which normally when I do stuff like that I break stuff, but it went in. So I also had to lick the gaskets a little bit. I should have brought some, I don't know, some sort of Vaseline grease, something. So I believe this dude goes on. And he was hand tight before, but I have a wrench. And I'm going to try on this. What do you use it for? That's what you do. No, sorry, no. How to use it? Wrap it around. No, I see. It's adjustable. It's going to go this way, right? No. Well, can I just the hand tight? There we go. Okay, I'm not doing it anymore or I'm gonna break it. Okay. Next will be the floppy piece that was on the other valve assembly or cartridge. Yeah, okay. And this can only go one way. Hot, cold. I feel like that needs to go down there more though. Okay. Try it. Ooh, that's nasty. Shoo. Okay. Now, I think I can. Do I really want to tighten this up? Yeah, I may as well. I mean, I don't know. Alright, I'm going to go turn the water on and actually move stuff out of the way because, well, I don't trust myself, and I'll be back. Alright, so looks like I got it right. Make sure this is hot. Oh, dang it. Stop this up, I think. There we go. Yep, hot. Well, warm now. I got that right. And off there. It should be cold. Yep. Well, alright. So far, so good. See if it's going to leak on me. Actually, while it's finishing out there, before I put the cap on, I got to show you a funny. So, and see that big puddle of water? That's where the valve is. I just got lucky. So I'm gonna have to let that drain down before I can put this back on, but I mean, look at that. I just got lucky with the stick or the key that I could get it back on. So I'm gonna go back inside and check the valve. Okay, well, no drips. That was about a $40 part or so, but it's something that would be complained about. So I figure go ahead and fix it now because this was a week turnaround. So anyhow, that's it. And I'm glad the water's back on because I need to use the bathroom. I'm sure everybody wants to know that. So I'm going to put this little, the little decorative thing back in, and we'll pack up and get out of here. One more job done. Till next time.